gotta get ready for this calculator. And I got a lot of them today, so. And we have to add the math, so. First question. What's 30? Wait. Wait a minute. To make this a little better, so you can see it clearly. So you can see it better there. So what's 30 plus 40? I know the answers, but I can't tell you. Okay, next one. Okay, here's the next one. 10 plus 20. Blank. Next one. So if Johnny has 3 apples and Fred has 10 more, so Johnny has 3 apples and he has 10, how much he has left? Blank. There's more, obviously. It's gonna get harder and harder each time. What's 50 plus 40? Blank. So what's 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 50? Blank. And that's not all yet. There's more. 600 600 plus 70 plus 80 plus 41. You blank. What do you think the answer could be? There's more, obviously. It gets harder. 100 plus a 90. It could be. It gets harder and harder. So 80 plus 90. Blank. 30 plus 60. Blank. What do you think all those answers can be? Don't forget to. Oh, yeah, the title is actually called is Math Problems. That's what the title is called. What's 2 plus 6? Blank. Then 200 plus 300 plus 600 equals. What do you think the math's going to be? All those maths. That's getting harder. 20 plus, track of 20 plus 1. What do you think it is? And I'm not done yet. 50 plus, 50, track 1. Next. 2 plus 1.
0.
Don't. Yeah, but don't see. Philip has 10 apples, and
Max, what's the point saying them when there's no people watching? Because nobody's hearing this except you.
Me?
Yeah.
Alright, but step 1 will eventually will watch.
Oh, do it when they when they start watching.
So Philip has 10 apples, and I gave away 4. How much he has left? Next one. Blank.
Nobody's answering them.
Some will. Sweet. Oh, there's some blank ones. Oh, here's a tougher one. 1,000. Here's a big one. Wait, 1,246. All this big number right here, plus 2,000 and all that. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Track all of that. That one's a difficult one. Then here's another one. 100 plus 600 plus. And then there's another one. 800 plus 50. 500 actually. Equals. And there's another one. 60 plus 70. Blank. What do you think all those answers? Now I still have 4 more. I'll be right back. I got a marker. You got it. It was really quick, so I have 1 more, so I'm not done yet. I'm not completely done yet. So let's see. So I have 4 more left. Let's see. I'm trying to think of one. Oh, I got one. Let's do. 4, 5. Okay. Okay, got it so far? And then apples, and then let's do some grapes. Wait. 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And then, what else? There's an 16. Okay, good. Which one's greater or less than? Which one think it is? Which one's greater or less than? So, also you have to figure out that one too. Okay, next one. What else? I'm trying to think of another one. Let's do times. Ooh, better get that one good. Let's do 40 times 60 times 70 times, and then there's a point. Then perfect. There's this one too, so perfect. Now next one. There's a next one, so there is, let's do, I'm gonna do it, this guy can be a different one. Let's see, let's do 100 plus, okay, 2, then, okay, got so far, then, one more. Okay, got it. What's 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 200 plus 300 plus 400 plus 500 plus 600 and plus 700? And that's, and you have to try to figure out all those answers. Could be. So, the last final one. Let's see. I'm thinking of the last one I can think of. Let's do. Let's see. I'm trying to think of another one. Let's do. This could be a different one. Oh, I got one. It's gonna be a lot, so let's do it. Then plus 4. And then let's do 6. Then that's 7 plus 7. Then I got another one to get more trickier. So mosquito. So let's do 100 plus 30. Plus. Oh, that's a plus. 40. Okay, next one. Let's do 50. Subtract 50. Okay, blank. And there is 60. Subtract. Okay, perfect. Then 70. Subtract 3. And then another one. Now we're going back to pluses. So we're going to go to 10 plus 10 equals then 30 plus 40. Okay, the answer part. I can't tell the answer though. I know all the answers are. And then 60 plus 70. Perfect. Here's all the math ones. There's this one too. So it's some hard ones. So to all that up. Add that up. And I'll show you all of them again. There's this one as well. You have to add that one up too. There is this one too to add up. There is this one. There's this one too to add. And then plus this one. Plus this one. And plus this hard one, of course. Then plus this one. Like what you have, what apples you have to, how much apples you have left. So, how much you have left. So, and then there's this one, attractions. 50 plus 1, and I know the answer is. So, and then there's this one as well. And this one. So yeah. Let's see what they said. Oh, not bad. Thanks for that comment. Okay. Now we're going back to it, so there's this one, plus this one as well, plus this one, plus this one as well. Next one. There's so much more paper there is. How much more? So, you better adding all that up all together. It's a lot than you think. So, what do you think? Let's see, I'm trying to think a hard one. Let's see. I think I know my next one will be. My next one. Let's do the final hardest level. I'm thinking the last one. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there's two people watching. I'm gonna do the hard one. I'm gonna think of one. Let's think a hard one next. Let's do. I'm trying a harder one next. So, let's do. Thinking one. Let's do. D. Okay. I think I know what is it. Okay, ready? This is a tricky one. This is the boss level. Boss level is next, so 100 is 0.2. No point. This is a plus. And then it's getting tricky. Then I'm gonna do another one. No point. I got it. Here's a tricky one yet. Actually, no point. Actually, whatever, that'll work. Okay, and then there's gonna be another one. Then plus. Then. Okay, plus that as well. And then there's this one as well. It's gonna get harder and harder. This is still boss level. It's gonna so you have to be really careful with this level. It's gonna get trickier. So I'm just gonna be a couple of them. This is the last level, so it's gonna be the trickiest math problem yet. So try and think of one. Then okay. I know what the answer is. I know exact the answer is, then good. Now, last two more left. 2 more. So then okay, got it. I think I know what is it. Okay. And here's the results gonna be. Boom, the boss level. Try adding that up. So it's gonna be a tricky one. This is the back. So add that one up. So and hopefully you can add all that up. The boss level. So yeah. And way more right here too as well. So yeah. What did you think? So also, there's these ones you'll have to add as well. So ooh. That's kind of cool at least. So now these are all ones you have to see. There's this one you have to add. This one as well. These are how much paper there is. How much paper exactly. There's this one. I'll bring it closer so you can see the number. That one. This one. So how much? So you have 3 apples and you have to take away 10. How much you have left? 20 plus 10. So that one as well. The 30 plus 40. It would think it was that. And this is how much paper, exactly how it was on paper. Look at my paper that was. Exactly. It was a lot of paper. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel as well, subscribe too. And comment. So, if you're new to the channel as well. So, I'm gonna keep asking more questions for you too. If you have 10 apples, 20 apples, and you give away 6, how much you have left? What do you think could be? If you have 30 apples and you give away 10, how much you have left? Let's see. If you have 70 apples and you give away 30, how much you have left? If you have 100 apples, how much you give away 60? How much you have left after? That's a great question. If you have 3, if you have 70 bananas, 700 bananas, if you give away 90, how much you have left? It's a great question though. If you do, try to take a hard one. What else? Trying to think more harder questions. I guess if you have 1,000 but 50 plums, if you give away 200, how much you have left? That's a great question though. So, it's not a bad idea. So, I'm gonna look at, I'm not done yet, so I'm gonna look at my comments right now. Oh, not bad. What is up? What is up? Are you happy? Yes, I am. Thanks for that comment, at least. So, That's good. At least. It's not bad than you think. If you have, let's see. Let's see, I'm trying to think of what type of, let's see. Let's see. Perfect. It's kind of cool. I'm alive by myself too. Look, that's me too, right now. So that's kind of cool. So it's kind of cool. What else? Let's see. Not bad. I'm trying to think more harder questions. Ooh, that was close. Let's see. If you did, what's bigger? This is still more math problems. What's bigger, 2x4 or 3x8? Which one's bigger, plywood? It's a great question. If you did 12 by 3 by 12 by 6, which one's bigger as well? It's another good question too. So, if you did 3 by 10s and 3 by 4, which one's the biggest plywood? It's another quick question too. So, if you did 10 by 10 by 3 by 4, which one's bigger? What is bigger? It's another question too. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see. Oh. Try and think more questions. Let's see. Try and take a third one. Let me ask more questions at least. Let's see. If you have, what side is big? Oh, this is more actually. If you had two pieces of siding, but still more power. If it's like 20-foot siding, if you have 20-foot siding, if you have an inch, which one is bigger? The smaller side, big siding, or the big side? Which one's bigger? Still math, so it's a great question. So it's the biggest question yet. So there's also this one too. And also you can use the calculator to add all these math together, like add all of it up. So yeah. And this, all these papers, I add all these math problems I added. Not added, but this one is gonna be the tricky one yet. This is gonna be the trickiest. So this is gonna be the trickiest math problem yet. The tricky one. This is gonna be the tricky one. Especially the boss level. There's also boss level there as well, so but it's in there somewhere, of course. So you think you can figure out all those math problems? What do you think? So